So we're gonna be doing some solos. Yeah, let's see how this works. Um, this is just a test, making sure my screen recorder works. If it does, guys, we can be doing some hyper videos. Problem is, it has a length of 15 minutes, so I can only record 15 minutes. But hey, you only need 10. But yeah, this is not gonna be a win. I'm telling you now. This is just something for me to practice. Um, yeah. If you guys think I'm bad, I probably am. This is just a test, making sure this thing works. If it does, sweet, we're gonna be making some Fortnite. Okay, I moved to the screen recorder, so now it should actually be recording. Let's get in here and let's get it out. I'm just joking. I'm just gonna go for kills. Yeah, guys, once again, a test, making sure the thing works. If it does, sweet. If not, oh well, I'll fix it. Um, I'm trying to record some more Fortnite for you guys, so let's see this. I'm gonna actually go up here, just because I feel like it. Let's see, gun. Oh no, that's the purple thing. Probably saw a gun. Let's see, gun. I'm in my house. I'm not supposed to get back here. But this thing does mess up the buttons sometimes, but it's so glitchy. I'm sorry. Yeah, like I can't switch my thing. Yeah, I don't know what that was, but this thing isn't working that good, so I'll see if I can get another one for you guys. Until then, this has been a random video. Peace out.